that's a really good point. I mean, and this is cut to, I'm sorry, I'm jumping around for my producers. Joe Biden has changed kind of the idea of who should get it, right? Because there has been this really kind of sickening thing that's happening, Dr. Pernell, where, I mean, I look at Florida, where you have the governor there going down to a small county and literally giving out the vaccine to his friends, giving it out to his donors, giving it out to people on his side, making sure that the rich, that the privileged, that people that have a Publix in their neighborhoods, meaning they're probably white, meaning they're probably affluent, get it, but not really seeming to give a damn if anybody who's poor, who's person of color gets the vaccine, I mean. And that we're seeing the vaccine thing play out in this really sick, kind of sadistic way. What can President Biden, who has said he wants to see the equities put forward and made front of mind, what can he do to change that?
That dialogue has to be followed by action. Look, you just described white privilege, right? You described white privilege, which is rooted in white supremacy. And what this pandemic has taught us is that still all lives don't matter. So, I was comforted by the words of President Joe Biden today. I've been comforted by some of the actions that he's already taken in the Health Equity Task Force. But I'm going to continue to speak truth to power, as are others in public health and more broadly in Black and brown communities in the American public, because we're not going to see those lives truly matter until all of the tools, access is prioritized. We talk a lot about Black people and brown people being hesitant, being unwilling. I don't think we talk far enough around the information barriers, the language and literacy barriers, the social and cultural barriers, the convenience barriers. We need to talk about how systemic racism kills. So I want to see that this president is going to enact policies that not only save Black lives from the pandemic, but save Black lives across all issues and across all sectors. So I'm going to continue to hold the administration's feet to the fire, but I am confident and I am vigilant that we're going to do the right thing.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.